Wait. Before you book your next salon appointment, I want you to do one thing. Take a good look at your hair in the mirror. Now ask yourself one honest question. Is your haircut making you look fresher and more confident? Or is it quietly adding 10 years to your face? Because here's the truth most women are never told. It's not wrinkles that age your appearance the fastest. It isn't gray hair. And it isn't even thinning hair. More often than not, it's the shape of your haircut. In fact, thousands of women walk into salons every single week asking for something easy, the usual, or whatever is low maintenance. And they walk out wearing the same outdated haircut they've had for the last 20 years. Stylists even have an unofficial name for it. The granny cut. It's stiff. It's heavy. It has no movement. No softness. No lift. Instead of framing your face beautifully, it weighs everything down. But here's the exciting news. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need cosmetic procedures. And you certainly don't need to look 20 years younger to feel beautiful. Sometimes, the right haircut is enough to make people wonder if you've done something completely different. Today, we're counting down 6 hairstyles that consistently make women over 60 look younger, lighter, and more modern without trying too hard. We'll start with beautiful, low-maintenance styles and work our way toward the haircut many professional stylists consider the most flattering choice for mature women. And stay until the end, because I'll also share 3 common haircut mistakes that can instantly age your appearance, even if you've chosen the right style. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is dedicated to helping women over 60 look elegant, stylish, and confident with timeless beauty advice that actually works. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, take a second to like this video and subscribe. Now, let's begin. Number 6. The textured crop. Don't let the word short scare you. Many women believe cutting their hair shorter automatically makes them look older. In reality, the opposite is often true. The textured crop is one of the easiest ways to create instant volume, where aging hair naturally begins to lose it. Instead of lying flat against the scalp, this cut creates gentle movement and height around the crown. That small lift changes everything. It makes the face appear longer. The eyes look brighter. The jawline appears more defined. And because the sides stay soft instead of bulky, the entire face feels lighter. One of the biggest advantages of this haircut is how beautifully it works with natural gray or silver hair. Silver hair naturally has more texture than heavily colored hair. Instead of fighting that texture, the crop embraces it. A little styling cream. A quick tousle with your fingers. And you're ready for the day. No complicated bloodring. No endless brushing. Just effortless elegance. If your hair has become finer over the years, ask your stylist to add soft internal texture instead of heavy layering. That creates fullness without making the ends look thin. The result is a haircut that feels modern, confident, and refreshingly easy to maintain. Number 5. The collarbone lob. Some women simply aren't ready for very short hair. And that's perfectly okay. The collarbone lob, short for long bob, offers the perfect balance. It's long enough to feel feminine, yet short enough to remove years of damaged or thinning ends. One of the biggest mistakes mature women make is holding on to extra length simply because they've always had long hair. But length alone doesn't create youth. Healthy shape does. The collarbone length naturally frames the face while drawing attention toward the neck and collarbone. Those areas often remain elegant well into our later years. Another reason this haircut works so well is movement. Hair that lightly brushes the shoulders moves as you walk. That movement creates energy. And energy is something people subconsciously associate with youth. The trick is keeping the ends blunt. Not heavy. Not chunky. Just clean and healthy looking. Inside the haircut, your stylist can remove weight to create softness without sacrificing fullness. From the outside, your hair still appears thick and polished. Whether you wear it sleek, softly curled, or with relaxed waves, the collarbone lob adapts beautifully to every occasion. It's one of those rare hairstyles that feels equally appropriate at a business meeting, a family gathering, or a weekend brunch. And perhaps best of all, it grows out gracefully. That means fewer emergency salon appointments and more good hair days. Before we reveal the next hairstyle, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that some women walk into a room and instantly look elegant? even before they've spoken a single word? Often. It isn't expensive clothing. It isn't perfect makeup. It's the softness around their face. And the next haircut is one of the biggest reasons why. Number 4, the soft layered bob. If there's one hairstyle that has stood the test of time without looking outdated, it's the soft layered bob. But notice I didn't say the stacked bob or the helmet bob. I'm talking about soft, flowing layers that move naturally with your hair. This haircut gently frames the cheeks, jawline, and neck while creating subtle lift exactly where mature faces benefit most. As we age, gravity gradually changes the way our features sit. The right haircut works with those changes instead of fighting them. Soft layers create shadows and light around the face. Those shadows add dimension. And dimension naturally creates a fresher appearance. One common mistake is adding too many layers. Too much layering removes weight from the ends, making hair appear thinner than it really is. Instead, ask your stylist for invisible layers that create movement without making the haircut look choppy. This hairstyle is incredibly versatile. Straight, lightly waved, or simply air-dried with a little styling cream. It always looks polished. Curtain bangs also pair beautifully with this cut. Instead of covering the forehead completely, they gently open in the center, drawing attention toward the eyes and cheekbones. It's a subtle detail, but one that makes an enormous difference. We're officially halfway through our countdown. And here's something interesting. The top 3 hairstyles consistently receive the most compliments from women who finally decided to leave the granny cut behind. Many say friends asked if they'd lost weight. Others were asked if they'd had cosmetic work done. The truth? It was simply the haircut. And the next style may surprise you, because it has quietly become one of the biggest salon trends for women over 60. We've reached the top 3. And if you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, my hair just doesn't have the life it used to, these next styles could completely change the way you see yourself. The best part? None of them require hours of styling. They simply work with your hair instead of fighting against it. Number 3, the modern shag. Forget everything you think you know about the shag haircut. Today's version is nothing like the wild, dramatic styles of decades ago. The modern shag is soft, elegant, and full of movement. And movement is one of the biggest secrets to looking younger. Why? Because stiff hair tends to emphasize heaviness around the face. Hair that moves naturally creates softness and energy. That's exactly what the modern shag delivers. Instead of one solid shape, it uses carefully placed layers to create lift around the crown while allowing the ends to flow naturally. If you've noticed your hair becoming finer or flatter over the years, this cut can make it appear fuller without adding unnecessary bulk. Curtain bangs are especially beautiful with this style. They gently frame the face, soften the forehead, and naturally draw attention toward the eyes. Another benefit? The modern shag doesn't need to look perfect. In fact, a little texture actually makes it look better. A small amount of texturizing cream and a quick scrunch with your hands is often all it takes. It's one of those rare haircuts that looks polished while still feeling effortless. Number 2, the pixie bob biscia. Now we come to one of the most talked about haircuts in modern salons. The pixie bob or biscia. Think of it as the perfect balance between a pixie cut and a classic bob. You get the freshness and lift of shorter hair without giving up the softness around your face. That's exactly why so many women over 60 fall in love with it. The back stays neat and lightly tapered, creating a longer-looking neck. Meanwhile, the front keeps enough length to frame the cheeks and soften the jawline. This combination creates balance. And balance is one of the biggest secrets to a youthful appearance. The biscia also works beautifully with natural silver or gray hair. Instead of trying to force every strand into place, it embraces natural texture. The result feels relaxed, modern, and incredibly elegant. If your stylist adds a long side-swept fringe, even better. Diagonal lines naturally slim the face and create movement around the eyes. Those tiny details may seem small, but together, they make an enormous difference. One of the best things about the biscia is how little maintenance it requires. Wash. Apply a little styling cream. Shape it with your fingers. And you're ready. Sometimes the easiest hairstyles are also the most flattering. Number 1. The architectural bob. If I could recommend just one haircut to almost every woman over 60, this would be it. The architectural bob. It's clean, elegant, sophisticated, and perhaps most importantly, it creates structure exactly where mature faces need it most. Unlike rounded bobs that can make the face appear heavier, the architectural bob features a sharp, clean outline that visually lifts the jawline. That single line changes everything. It creates definition. It reflects light beautifully, and it gives the hair an expensive, healthy appearance. The real magic happens underneath. A skilled stylist removes bulk from inside the haircut instead of adding visible layers to the outside. From the front, the hair looks full, smooth, healthy, but underneath, it's light enough to move naturally. That's what separates an ordinary bob from an extraordinary one. Whether you wear it sleek or with a gentle bend at the ends, it always feels polished. It's timeless, not trendy, and timeless style never goes out of fashion. 3 haircut mistakes that secretly add years. Now that you know the hairstyles that work, let's quickly talk about the mistakes that undo all that good work. Mistake number 1. Keeping the same haircut for 20 years. Your face changes. Your hair changes. Your haircut should evolve too. What looked beautiful at 40 may not flatter you at 65. Updating your style doesn't mean chasing trends. It means allowing your haircut to grow with you. Mistake number 2. Adding too much hairspray. Many women grew up believing perfectly still hair looked polished. Today, movement looks younger. Hair that moves naturally catches the light, frames the face softly, and feels effortless. Instead of freezing every strand into place, let your haircut do most of the work. Mistake number 3. Waiting too long between trims. Even the most beautiful haircut loses its shape over time. Split ends, uneven growth, and heavy outlines slowly bring back that tired granny cut appearance. A trim every 6 to 8 weeks helps maintain the shape that makes your haircut so flattering. 3 questions to ask your stylist. Before your next salon appointment, ask these 3 simple questions. First, how will this haircut work with my natural hair texture? A great haircut should suit your everyday routine, not just the salon blow-dry. Second, where will this haircut create volume? An experienced stylist should know exactly where mature hair benefits from lift. Third, how can we keep this style modern as it grows? The best haircuts continue looking beautiful even several weeks after your appointment. That's the sign of thoughtful design. Final thoughts. Here's something I hope you'll remember. Looking younger isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about allowing your hairstyle to reflect the vibrant, confident woman you've become. Your haircut shouldn't make you disappear. It shouldn't hide your personality. And it certainly shouldn't make you feel like you're settling for good enough. The right haircut doesn't erase the years. It celebrates them. It frames your smile, brightens your eyes, and reminds you that elegance has absolutely no age limit. So before your next salon appointment, don't simply ask for the usual. Ask for a haircut that reflects who you are today, because you deserve to leave the salon feeling lighter, more confident, and excited every time you catch your reflection. If today's video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly beauty and style guides for women over 60. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which hairstyle on today's list would you be willing to try? Or, is there one haircut you'll never go back to again? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. Until next time, take care of yourself, wear your confidence proudly, and remember, the most beautiful hairstyle isn't the trendiest one. It's the one that makes you feel like yourself again.